Hi, so now we're going to put all the 4 exercises we've done together as one sequence so you can practice this daily in the morning. So the first one, remember, is our exercise for our opening up and our warming up exercise, where we open up the whole body and all the meridians at once. We just tune our body. And remember, we're slapping our kidneys and we're slapping our lungs. We hit our back of the hand hits our lung point at the back, and the hand hits your lung at the front. So innervates the lungs, innervates the kidneys. So, and it's all coming from the hips, and you're moving your hips to do this, and you just feel your body waking it up. It's a great exercise to get the whole body's energy moving. Cool. The second exercise we're going to do is a breathing exercise. We breathe in, count of 5, hold for 2, breathe out for the count of 5. Hold for 2, breathe in for the count of 5. Hold for 2, breathe out for the count of 5. One more. Breathe into the count of 5. Hold for 2. And then breathe out. Good. The next one we're going to do is the grounding exercise. Bring your hands to the side. When we're standing on our kidney points, our heels are just touching the ground, and your knees are slightly bent, so we're standing on their muscles. Breathe in as we go down. Keep your back straight. Breathe out as you come up. Breathing in. And breathing out. Sit down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the body sinking into the ground as you lower it down. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathing in. And then breathing out. The next exercise we're going to do is about the flow and movement. So remember, we bring our hands, we lower ourselves down again. This time we bring in, we scoop the earth. So we feel like we're scooping leaves. Breathing in. Looking up. And then breathing out. Bring it in. And breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing. Breathing in. Breathing out. 2 more. Breathing in. Feel all energy smoothly moving around the body, energizing all your organs, all your digestive system, your elimination, your immune system. 1 more. And then bring your hands, breathe it out. There you go. And you can practice that set every day, and it'll bring vitality to your body, bring life to your body. It calms your mind. So we have an exercise for warming up. We have an exercise for the grounding. We have an exercise for your breathing, and we have an exercise to move all the chi-radiated body all together, one after another. But if you do that, you set up your day really differently. How you feel after this practice, how I feel right now is very, very different because of those exercises done one after another. It opens up your mind. What it also does is calm your mind, beside the fact that you can have clear vision, but it calms your mind. Brings your energy back centered inside the body, brings a lot more power into your body, and it opens up your lungs so you can breathe more oxygen, so you can have more energy as well. They're fantastic exercises. And please practice them. You'll find the benefit from them. Practice them every morning. You'll see what I mean about the benefit of you get from them. Cheers. Bye-bye.